Are you aware that the stories you tell about who you are, who you're not, what's possible for you, what you desire, are not the same as who you essentially are? As human beings, we use narratives to navigate through this mysterious world. But in truth, you are the storyteller, not the story. And when you realize that, it's a quantum leap in self-realization. I'm Mark Matousek, and I'd like to invite you to my upcoming 2-day workshop at the Ratna Ling Retreat Center from February 21st through the 23rd, called You Are Not Your Story. During this workshop, we're going to be doing a series of guided writing exercises designed to help you penetrate the narrative layer of your life in order to touch into what is most deeply authentic, true, and free in yourself. In addition to the writing exercises, you'll have one-on-one time with me, there'll be a couple of breakout groups, and you'll have plenty of time for personal reflection in this superb location. You don't need to be a writer to benefit from this practice. All you require are curiosity, courage, and the sincere desire to liberate yourself from the myths that hold you back. This is a tremendously powerful workshop, and I hope very much that you'll be able to join us. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to let me know. And until then, I hope to see you at Ratna Ling in February for You Are Not Your Story. Until then, thanks so much and take good care. Bye-bye.